my nightmare experience with Heretic Knives and their warranty. I bought a Hydro, I actually bought two Hydros. Right out of the box, they didn't work, they were defected. I sent one in for repairs, they shipped it back to me. As you notice in this video, they didn't even fix it. This one cost me $650, the other one cost me $750, and right out of the box, they were messed up. This one I sent in for repairs. They shipped it back to me, said they fixed the problem. As you can see, the problem was not even fixed. From my experience, I bought multiple knives from them and they were both defective right out of the box. I've shipped them in for warranty, and still, when they shipped it back to me, the knife didn't work. You can see below right here. I cannot make this up. I wish I was making this up. Now I've invested over $1,000 on bad knives, and I'm doing this video to save you money. I'm a guy that bought the knife spending my own money. I would stay highly away from heretics. And the problem is that now I've emailed them, the company, 3 more times and they've never get back with me. So again, they sold me a bad knife. I shipped it in for warranty. Now they're not even responding back to me. I've emailed them 3 times and no response back for them. So if you want to spend big bucks buying a Heretic knife, please be advised that from my personal experience and the comments that I've seen from other people leaving below, you're gonna get burned. So you might want to think twice before spending that kind of big bucks on a crappy knife with poor craftsmanship. I'm sorry to say that, but this is my experience. Not one knife, not 2 knives, not 1 repair, not 2 repairs, still the knife is not working. So this is an honest truth. If you want to see proof, I have paper trail of it all. Thank you.